Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this simple logo emblem thing. So let's start. So first thing, we want to draw the outer layer. So you want to go to the shape tool on the left, you right click on it and then you go to the ellipse tool. So this is the circle tool. So you want to click and drag, but if you click and drag, normally it will come out like an irregular shape. So what you want to do is you want to hold on the shift button and then you draw, so it will be a perfect circle. So let's see if this is the correct size. So let's make this smaller. Okay, so this is the correct size. So we want to swap the fill with the stroke. So you go on to the left side, you click on this swap button and this will swap the fill to the stroke. So to make this bigger, so we go on to the stroke on the top and then we just increase this, let's say 15. Okay, correct size. Okay, and then now we want to draw this rose stem cell and nanograde text on it, right? So you want to draw another circle. So the same thing. So you draw a smaller circle. Okay, so this is not centralized. So what you want to do is you want to select both of these. So you just highlight both of these and then you click on either one of these and then we align it to the center. So you, at the top here, there's this align to center thing. And then now you want to insert the text. So you go to the left side, go to the text tool and then select, you want to right click on it and then select the type on the path tool. And then you want to click on anywhere on the path and then start typing the text, rose stem cell. Okay, and then Proxima Noah Black. Okay, this should be the text. And then you want to go to the characters tool. So you can go to the windows and click on, let's see, click on type and then characters to enable this. Okay, so now we want to enable all caps. So in case if you can't see this, you want to go on to this 3-line button and then click on the show option. So the show option should be here. And then we want to increase the size. Let's see, what size is this? 43. So let's increase it to 43. Oops, funny, this is too big. Okay, let's see. I think 20 to 30 should be fine. Okay, and then you see there's this 3 lines here. So what this button do is, okay, so these two lines are actually the start and the end. So this will be the start, this will be the end. So we want it like kind of at the center. And then this button is for you to change the position of this. Okay, and then we want to align this to the center. Okay, just adjust this. Okay, and then now it's at, how do I say, there's a gap here, right? So what you want to do is you want to click on this button to kind of change the position, let it go inwards, and then there should be a tracking over here. So let's see, 200 should be fine. Okay, so I think I'm quite happy with that. So what you want to do now is you want to copy this and then you click on Command C and then Command F. This will duplicate another layer on top of it. So there's actually a layer on top of it. So what you want to do is you do the same with the center button and then we want this like kind of at the center. Okay, then the same thing on the right side. Here, there's this button for you to adjust, to align them properly. So that says nano grade tag. Okay, I think the text should be smaller, so let's reduce this. Okay, and I'm happy with that. And then we want to draw this star shape. So you go on to the shape tool on the left, right click on it, and then go to the star tool, and then you just click on anywhere on the screen, so 5 points. Okay, and then we want to click on V to drag this over here. Maybe make it smaller. So the same thing, you need to click on the shift button so that it will not be wonky. So if you do not click on the shift button, it will be like weird. But if you click on the shift button, it will be at the same exact ratio. Okay, so this star has a very pointy edge to it, which we don't want. So you click on Command, and then there will be these white buttons over here. So if you drag this, it will make it like kind of more circular, if that makes sense. Okay, and then you want to duplicate another layer over here. So you click Option, and then you use your mouse click to click, and then you drag. Okay, but if you drag, it might not be at the same level. So what you want to do is you click on the Shift button, and it will be at the same exact level. See, at the exact level. Okay, so we want to select both of these. So you click on this, and then you click on Shift to select both, and kind of adjust it. Okay, I'm happy with that. So this is for the outer layer. Okay, maybe we want to change the colors. Okay, you select all of this, and then you just change the colors. Okay, perfect. So we want to draw the centerpiece. So how do we draw the centerpiece? So the same thing, you go to the shape tool, you go to ellipse tool, and then you draw the shape. Okay. Okay, and then we flip the fill to stroke, and then you will see like kind of this, and then you just increase the stroke. Let's see. I think 8 should be fine. And I think it's too big, so you want to resize it. So you can either click on Shift to resize like this, or you can click on Option and Shift, which will resize it this way, which I kind of prefer that way. Okay, and now we're happy with this. Okay, so let's put a fill in this to make this make sense. Okay. So you want to align this with this, so you select this, and then click on Shift and select this, and then you do not press on any button, you just click on this, and then align this. So this will be aligning according to this. So if you align left or top, so we want it to be at the middle. Okay, so the middle piece, so I have already have the rows at the middle. Okay, so let's say if you see, it's like we want the sides not in this. We want the side to be out of the circle, right? So what you want to do is you copy another layer of this. You press Command C and then Command F to bring it to the top, and then the rows should be behind of the circle. So you're gonna click on Command Shift and left bracket to bring it all the way to the back. Okay, and then you need to select the rows. Okay, select the rows and select this. Select the rows and select the circle, and then right click and make clipping mask. So what this does is it kind of like put it inside of that circular thing. Okay, and we are done with this. So let's see. Now we want to add this text, right? So to add text, it's very easy. So you just click on T, or you go to this text tool, and then you just click on anywhere. And then you can just put 3x, and then you just resize it accordingly. So we're not going to do that. So I already have this ready. Okay, and this shouldn't have a stroke. Okay. Okay, so let's bring this to the middle. And this looks a bit too messy and blending into the background, right? So what you want to do is you want to click on this. You want to go to the Appearance tool, or you can go to Windows and then click on Appearance to enable that. Okay, and then you want to click on the Add Stroke. So this is Add Fill, Add Stroke. So Add Stroke. And okay, so let's say if we want to add white, and if we increase this, this will kind of make it wonky. So what you want to do is you want the stroke to be behind of the character. So what you want to do is you click on the stroke, and then you just drag it behind of the content or character, and then you just increase it. And we are done. I think we are kind of done. Okay, you can actually change the stroke as well. Windows, and then you click on stroke. Where's the stroke? Click on stroke to enable this, and then you see like the edge, right? It's kind of like very sharp edge, but I prefer it to be kind of roundish. Yep, like this. So you can actually change this to be like kind of roundish or weirdish. Okay, roundish. And we are done. And voila, we are done. Okay, so you have it. This is for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like the video. If you like more videos on Adobe Illustrator, tips, tricks and hacks, and other mini tutorials and stuff like that, please do hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell button for this channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.